Mommy, there's a bird in the house. That's what's happening right now.
Help me!
Where is it?
It's right there.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Wait. We have to open all. Oh my God. This is crazy.
Turn on the fan.
No. We have to open all the doors. Open this door. Must have gotten in right just when he came in from the bus. There's lots of birds out front.
Oh, hey, Birdie.
Oh my God.
Hey, no escape. Hey, no escape. Come on, let's go.
Open the back. Oh my gosh.
Where's he?
I'm seeing all my mess.
Hey, bring it, man. The blanket has diabetes now. Come on.
Oh my God.
Someone's gonna fly at us.
It's going to. No. Dylan, put that down. Don't scare him or hurt him.
Hey, Birdie.
You coming? Come on. We'll go this way so we can get him out.
Can we make him land on my...
I thought you were joking, Owen. Owen goes, Mommy, there's a bird in the house on the chair.
Birdie!
Andrew, did you see him come in?
Yeah.
You did? Were you scared?
Attack Owen!
Oh my gosh.
Hand on the finger.
Okay, where is
Get on
it?
my finger. Get on my finger.
Okay, you guys go that way and I'll get him out.
I'm
Let's go.
Open the front door wide, Aiden. And open the back door wide.
I already opened it.
Okay, go that way, Andrew.
Messy bird.
Andrew, go that way. Oh, jeez. Oh my God, the poor thing is probably freaking out. Oh my God. Birdie, go that way. Birdie, go that way.
Birdie. I want to land on
Birdie!
it. I'm scared at the same time when it gets...
Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. I don't want him to get hurt. He's got to go out. Hope his friends don't come in instead. He can go out instead of his other friends coming in. Okay, don't. Be careful. Is he hurt?
Oh, he's fine.
No, he's fine. Jeez. He smashed into the windows. Okay, let's see if we can open one of these windows.
Let him rest.
Yeah. Let's see if we can open some of these
He's
windows.
resting. He's shaking.
Oh my God.
Okay, Birdie. It's like a good camera. Whoa! You almost squished it with the window.
Hang on. Hold this, Aiden. Oh, that door is open. Yeah.
This is so weird.
He's gonna go out. Andrew,
I'll hold it.
you can't run. You're gonna hurt yourself. You okay? We gotta get the birdie out. No, listen. If he sees that door is open, he'll go right out that door. You guys go out, and maybe he'll follow you. Where is he now? Yeah. Oh my God, he's on the dishes. No, she's not home.
Oh, where is she?
She's missing this.
Hey, Birdie!
You went out?
Oh my God!
Okay, good. You got out. Oh, that was exciting. Oh my gosh. Okay, close the door so we don't have that happen again.
Never come back! I think I found a tree over there.
Well, wasn't that exciting? That was the first time that has ever happened to us. Oh my goodness. A bird in the house. What happened? What did he say?
Papa!
The bird said what?
He did this face.
And then what did he do?
He said, I want to come in a new house.
Really?
Yeah.
And Andrew said, what is his name? You wanted to name the birdie?
Yeah.
What should we name the birdie?
Andrew!
We already have an Andrew.
We need 2 Andrew.
2 Andrews?
Like Andrew Bird and Andrew.
Andrew the bird and Andrew the boy?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can't call him a kid,
Not the kid.
but we call him a big bully.
Big boy birdie?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go outside. Let's close this door after us.
Okay.
Always close that door, Andrew. Tell everybody what we're playing.
Playing football and Aiden just tackled me and I tried to dive for it, but I hit the bush.
These guys are so fast and amazing.
Wait, just watch. Aiden's fast, I've got the strength. Okay, so just videotape this. Videotape this.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, go for it.
Bring it on!
I don't know.
I got it! The one that's it! No, just count it. I got it at the one. No, I got it at the one.
We're having a blast.
No, I was it.
Mommy, I see an alligator up the sky.
Woo! He smashed his cheek somehow. What did you bite it?
Against the back of his foot. At least I got him.
At least you got him, buddy. It's a lot of blood. Shoot. Hang on, let me get some paper towels. We gotta
What?
sop that up and stop the blood. Go in the bathroom.
Stop!
I'll stop. Daddy got some new sneakers from Reebok. Let's see. You never order sneakers online.
Well, I got a discount code from
Ben.
Ben Blakesley.
Thanks, Mr. Ben. For sharing the code. Ooh, they're nice.
Those are cool.
Yeah.
Look at the Memory Tech massage inside. I didn't know they had that.
Nice.
That looks cool.
They look nice.
Yeah.
Cool. They're giant.
Look at here. Look at this thing. This shows you the memory foam thing.
That's cool.
Let's try them on in a little while.
New kicks. Thumbs up for new snakes. You were sound asleep on your daddy. You were snoring away. I love you.
How much do I
Good night, kiddos.
80?
Shark Tank situation going on for the third night in a row.
See?
Cray cray. What's happening here?
How many?
Did the dentist come to visit you or something?
No.
What?
They were like dentists, but like, and they had Coke and M&Ms and Oreos.
Did they show all the bad things that happened from that stuff to your teeth?
No.
Then why did they have those things?
Because they were doing like, is it good for my teeth? Or like,
Are bad for your teeth? All that sugar?
Yeah.
Yeah, really bad, right?
It's
We need to make
bubblegum.
dentist appointments, by the way. Your guys are so overdue.
This is bubblegum flavor.
Perfect. You got a new toothbrush. Guys, he's still not 100%.
What am I?
Would you say you're 100%?
What?
100% better?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah, I do want to be 100.
You want to be, but are you right now?
No.
No.
I have bubblegum flavor.
Nothing better than a new toothbrush. Awesome. They just passed them out to the kids today?
Yep.
Awesome. All right, can you end the vlog for us tonight? You never end the vlog on your own. Go ahead, go for it. Tell them what to do. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
You gotta look at the camera though. Yeah.
Leave a like and subscribe.
And do a question of the day.
No. I know I did it.
Maybe you should ask them what they're doing this weekend because tomorrow's Friday.
I don't do questions of the day.
Have they ever gotten a bird stuck in their house? Tell them how crazy that was.
I know another YouTuber who has.
Really?
Yeah.
Who?
It's my second favorite YouTuber.
Who is that?
You already know
You
it.
have to look at the camera.
I already told you.
Well, tell everybody else. They had a bird stuck in their house?
Yeah, I already told the people who watched the live stream one.
I can't even remember. Tell me again. I can't remember. Here we go again. Look at him. Shoving an iPad underneath his pillow like his mom is not going to see. Favorite YouTuber or second favorite YouTuber who had a bird in his house?
Tenablanca.
Okay. The crazy jumping guy on the tramp.
Tenablanca.
He's a trampoline jumper, really, right?
Yeah.
All right, over and out. Like this video.
Subscribe this video.
Subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below.
What do we call this video?
I don't know.
Bird in our house. There's a bird in our house.
Something like that. Cuckoo bird.
What if the bird is still in here?
I think you have a drink mustache on your lips right now. Don't lick your lips because they're getting red.
What if the bird flies back in?
Hopefully not. And you know we're supposed to get a big snowstorm tomorrow night, but no one really knows how much snow we're getting. It's spring, by the way. And we're supposed to be getting, like, some channels say rain, some channels say 2 to 4 inches, some channels say 7 inches. It's like nuts. I say wintry mix, not gonna stick.
2 to 4 inches? That's not that bad.
Yeah, hopefully nothing. All right.
7 would be...
Say bye.
15 would be the worst. 15 is a foot.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Is 15 a foot of snow only?